Hello guys, my name is Famara. Welcome to the Hedin Automotive YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to tune and store your favorite radio stations on your new smart car. Once you're in the vehicle and you've got the home screen on the infotainment screen, you simply just want to swipe left and view the core menu. From there, you want to hit the media icon. This will take you to this screen here, and you've got all your options on the side. It will say FM DAB, your online music, Bluetooth options. You then want to click the magnifying glass and search up your favorite radio station. Once you've got your favorite tunes on, you simply want to click the heart button if you want to favorite the channel. And if you want to find it, you can simply come to this screen here, click favorites, and your favorite channel will be there. And this is something you can do with various different radio channels. I'm going to add another one here. Again, searching with the magnifying glass and click the heart icon, coming out of here, clicking favorites, and it's there in my favorites. If you have any more questions, please get in contact with the details below. If you need any more tips and tricks, please follow our Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.